Is your phone charging speed is very slow? No worry about it. I have some tips and tricks which can improve your mobile charging speed. By using these tips you can charge your phone in less time easily. First of all, only plug your phone with the adapter. Do not plug the phone with your PC or laptop. Use airplane mode while charging. Do not use your mobile while charging, because use of mobile while charging consume more power and your phone charge slowly. Always use a best quality power cable, because good quality power cable passes much power which fasten your mobile charging. Do not use fast chargers of local companies. It harms your mobile battery and shorten your mobile's battery life. The last and most important thing. Only use the charger adapter specified by the manufacturer of smartphone. The charger in the box of mobile phone charge your phone perfectly and did not harm the battery of mobile. Please subscribe my channel for more informative and interesting videos.